What up guys, it's your girl Onika. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title below down there, I'm just doing an unboxing today of my new stuff that I got from PC Richards because this is one of the main reasons why I have not been doing videos constantly, because I didn't have like camera, and today I got a camera, so I am super duper excited about this. So let's unbox it together. I mean, first of all, I got this store my camera and stuff when I'm going on the road to take pictures and all that stuff, you know. I also got a tripod by 4. Everything is here, height extended to 54 feet. 54 inches, height closed 20 inches, weight 1.8 pounds, leg diameter, all of that is there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but when I start using my camera, then you'll be able to see everything. So if you can't see all of these, you'll get to see other stuff when I start using my camera. But I am super duper excited. Let's open it. When you got nails and you become a complete Batman. Your girl got a tripod, guys. Like, is this how you carry it? I'm so excited. Dun dun dun. Let me just rest this right here. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, wow. Hold on. Okay. Sorry about my hair. So yeah. I don't really exactly know how to use it. But that's what YouTube is for. I'm gonna figure this thing out. Anyway, so yeah. Your girl got a tripod. A tripod. Your girl can make videos now. Videos. Anyways, I'm gonna figure out how to do this. Let me just put it in the bag. Put it back in here real quick. Zip it back up. I've got a tripod. That's it right there. Okay. Got a memory card, new memory card, 64 gigabytes for the camera. Now it's time for bang. Okay. Let's open this up. It is a Nikon D3400. Whatever. The bookie thingy to learn what I need to learn, and as always YouTube as usual. Okay, so first things first, the body. So this camera is a professional camera, apparently, and it's a camera I've been dying to have. Yay! I'm so excited about this. How I'm shaking, guys. I'm just gonna rest it there. This is the back. This is the front. Okay, rest it there. And then we have, I guess this is one of the lenses that I'm gonna have to learn a hell of a lot about. Ooh, let me connect it. Okay, I did. Please excuse my mother, she's talking in the background and she's very loud. It clicked. Okay, let me take this one. You do it back. There it is. Okay. And put this back on. Okay, and I was saying you have a battery, charger, the battery, the strap, and then next you have this. It is another lens and something I'm not going to put on right now ever. I don't know, I'm scared. I'm gonna put it back in the box now. That's what I'm gonna do. Put it back in the box. I'm gonna put it back here, wrap it real good, and put it back in the box. Please like, subscribe, press the notification thingy in the box, in the thingy below, and follow me on all my socials, which are in the description box below. I can't wait to show you guys what I do with this. I cannot wait to show you guys what I do with this. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. It's your girl.